Lecture number 10. Let us proceed with the method of preparation of aldehydes. The next method we have, it is from aromatic hydrocarbons. The very first method, it is called as the Itard method. Itard, it's a name reaction. Now just try to understand what I say. See, when I have written the reaction over here, when it is toluene, when it is reacted with a stronger oxidizing agent like KMnO4, KMnO4 जो है ना, it is a stronger oxidizing agent. So when toluene is reacted with a stronger oxidizing agent, the product is benzoic acid. What is the product? Product क्या मिलता है? What do you get? Benzoic acid मिलता है. Okay, but lesson is what? Lesson is aldehydes. So what are we interested to prepare? We are interested to prepare aldehydes. So aldehyde कैसे मिलता है? Aldehyde is an intermediate which is formed and that further oxidizes to form benzoic acid. So we want to restrict the reaction at the formation of aldehyde. So you understood what I said? So what do we require? We require a oxidizing agent, a different oxidizing agent. Okay, so what we use is, we use chromyl chloride as the oxidizing agent. Purposely I have written the structure like this so that you can understand. Now see, यहाँ पे chromyl chloride का oxidation state क्या है? It is +6. And then what does it form? See, अभी toluene में यहाँ पे कितने hydrogen atoms है? 3. Benzaldehyde में कितना चाहिए? 1. Extra कितना है? 2. So these two hydrogen atoms, they are replaceable. So it is reacted with chromyl chloride in the presence of carbon disulfide acting as a solvent. See, what do you get? You get the intermediate like this. अभी इसमें क्या हुआ? ये एक हाइड्रोजन जो है ना, ये कंबाइन हुआ डबल बॉन्ड O के साथ, बनाया OH. See, we have written the complex structure like that. It's not required to write the structure like this. You can write from your text. It's only for you to understand the structure. Now it contains one more replaceable hydrogen. So again we react with chromyl chloride and then this is what you get. This is a chromium complex. Abhi this will be very difficult to be oxidized further. So we hydrolyze it in the presence of H plus and then it is converted to benzaldehyde. That is Itard reaction. Okay, it's a name reaction. The use of chromyl chloride. A very interesting reaction I could say. Now, a similar type of reaction we have. The next reaction, what is the reactant we have taken? It is para-nitrotoluene. Para-nitrotoluene. अभी ये nitro group क्या करेगा? It will accelerate the rate of reaction. So we have used para-nitrotoluene. The same concept is same of the reaction. It is reacted with acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride directly मैंने product लिखा है, मैंने यहाँ पे ऐसा intermediate नहीं लिखा है. I have not written the intermediate like this, but the concept is same. Again in the text, if you see directly, they have given the formation of this. But how do we get? I have explained in the first reaction, which is not required to explain the next reaction because it will be taking place in a similar way. What you get is, you are getting a diacetate, geminal compound milta hai. You are getting a diacetate derivative. What are the conditions required? It is 273 to 278 Kelvin in the presence of CrO3. And अभी यहाँ पे byproduct क्या मिलने वाला है? The byproduct is acetic acid. You will be getting as the byproduct. Okay. Now again this is a complex. Okay. Now ये इसको वापस hydrolyze किया, acidic hydrolysis. It is converted to para-nitrobenzaldehyde. So that is what we get in the next reaction. It is similar to the very first reaction, that is Itard reaction. Okay. Now we go for the next. That is side chlorination. Again a simple reaction I could say. A very similar reaction to that of alkanes. Alkanes का conditions भी same था. अगर chlorine है, it is in the presence of H mu, that is a diffuse sunlight. So one by one we are replacing the hydrogen by chlorine atom. So toluene is reacted with chlorine in the presence of H mu. It is converted to CH2Cl. What is it? It is benzyl chloride. वापस same reaction, it is converted to benzyl chloride. We have converted. अभी 1H हमको चाहिए because the interest is to prepare benzaldehyde. Now we hydrolyze it or it can be reacted with NaOH. So we will get two molecules, right? We require two molecules. So this is the intermediate which is formed. It is unstable, which I have written in the square bracket over there, right hand side pe. It is unstable diol As it is unstable, there is the immediate removal of water converted to benzaldehyde. That is the name reaction. Okay, side chlorination. That is a commercial method by which you can prepare benzaldehyde. Now, we go for the next reaction. Again, a name reaction, a simple reaction. Just to remember the conditions of it. Benzene reacted with CO, carbon monoxide, HCl, anhydrous aluminum chloride and CuCl2, that is cuprous chloride. It is converted to benzaldehyde. Okay, it is a formulation. Formulation मतलब क्या? Formyl. Formyl मतलब क्या? Aldehyde. Aldehyde group is introduced in benzene, that is called as benzaldehyde. Okay, so these are the different methods by which you can prepare. Yeah, one more thing. Listen here. अभी यहाँ पे aldehyde कहाँ पे मिल रहा है? In the first reaction we are getting aldehyde, उससे कीटोन नहीं बनेगा. In the next reaction we are getting aldehyde, इससे कीटोन नहीं मिलने वाला है. All these reactions to be written in the aldehyde part, left hand side पे, left hand side part पे, right hand side पे नहीं मिल रहा है. Getting it clear? By all these reactions we are only getting aldehyde. Okay, so write it accordingly.